Hello, what do we have here? Yep, it's the Shimano Eyewear for bike riding. What was the noise? Okay. So this is the box. Spark bronze gold. Bronze gold ridescape RD. That's the lens. So they gave a spare lens as well, so that's nice. Anything else? No. So I guess this is a manual. What is this? Adjustable nose pad. Okay. Yeah, so how to adjust the nose pad. Box seems quite good. That's nice. Shimano brand. On the chain. Nice. They give a bag as well. Pouch. Nice quality. I think you can wipe with this as well. Yep, so this is a spare transparent lens. And let's see how this looks. Oh, nice. Yeah, I wanted to go with this color because it complements nicely with my bike wear and my bike itself. So yeah, the nose pad seems nice. So it's written CSPRK1 Spark, I guess. F2 SLTM. Not sure what that means. Yeah, I like the shape quite a lot. It's nice. And this is a transparent, it's a transparent lens. So we have extra nose pads here. And that's about it. The quality I like it's quite nice. You can see here. Yep, it has the ridescape RD written here on the lens. Nothing on the other side, but just on one side. So you get the Eyewear extra lens, the bag. Oh, what is this? Okay, I guess we have a separate space to keep the lens or something, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So that's nice. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I think sorry. They have the space to keep the lens. Yep. Fits properly. Yeah, so that's good. You can keep your extra lens there in the same box without scratching. And it has this Velcro, so it won't move. Yeah. And then you can keep this. After that, yeah, fits nicely. And this I'll keep to wipe my lens. Very happy with the quality and everything. Yeah, it's a nice purchase. So if you go with the other brands, it's so expensive. This one, I think I paid around 40 euros. I'll share the link anyway in the description below. So I got it from Bike24. So I think they delivered it from Germany. They were nice enough, so I ordered a couple of things and I forgot to add this. So what they did was they said that the order can't be modified, but you can place another order and they would refund me the shipping cost, and they did. I placed another order and they did refund my shipping charges. So the shipping charges to Ireland, so I am in Ireland, is 10 euros, 9.99 euros. Yeah, so there's no minimum order amount that can get rid of the shipping cost. That's there no matter how much you order. So yeah, I would hope they remove the shipping cost to Ireland soon, or at least if they have a minimum order amount like 100 euros you get free. That would be nice. All right, that's all for this video. I hope it gives you an idea of the quality of the eyewear. See you soon in the next one. Bye bye.